Hello everyone, I am Joanne from Colorido. Today we will test the real speed for the printing. Before we start test, we will check our normal check, daily check, if enough for the today's ink, and if full of the waste ink. Waste ink is here, waste ink. Look here, it's still not full, so we no need to worry about that. Also, we already done the nozzle check. Okay, here is the clock. So I set up 1 hour. Set up 1 hour. Then let's start. Okay, start. Hi everyone, now it's learning, so it's the time is up. Let's calculate the socks. 多少双？ Total 45 pairs. So this is successful speed. 45 per hours. So 10 hours like 450 pairs.